Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app obviously, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Now let's scroll down. Actually, it didn't matter if we will be on the photo or the video mode. So let's scroll down into the general settings. On the third position in this section, we've got the timer, so let's tap on it, and here we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now, obviously it is off, but we can set either 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see, it is notified right here that from now on the camera will use the 10 seconds delay. I hope so. Let's get it back and let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, it works. So from now on the camera will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let's pick, for example, 2 seconds. Let's get back, and the same situation obviously, but right now it was counting down from 2. So let me turn off the timer. Okay, and from now on this device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.